Hello everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of two Google tools for note-taking and productivity, Google Keep and NotebookLM. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs. First up, we have Google Keep. It's a lightweight cloud-based note-taking app designed for simplicity. You can jot down text, create to-do lists, add images, and record voice memos that auto-transcribe. With color coding, labels, and reminders, both time and location-based, it's great for quick organization. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with Google Drive and Docs for easy access across devices. It's perfect for casual users or people who need to capture ideas fast. Next, we have NotebookLM, an AI-powered tool from Google Labs. This one's built for deeper research and analysis. You can upload documents like PDFs, Google Docs, or even YouTube transcripts, and it generates summaries, answers questions, and creates study guides or audio overviews. Think podcasts from your notes. It's ideal for students, researchers, or professionals tackling complex projects. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare. Google Keep shines for quick, everyday note-taking. It's simple, free, and great for personal tasks like shopping lists or reminders, but it lacks advanced analysis or document synthesis. NotebookLM, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for research, offering AI-driven insights and collaboration tools, but it's overkill for basic notes and still experimental, with limited multimedia support. The verdict? Use Google Keep for fast, simple organization, perfect for daily tasks. Go for NotebookLM if you're diving into research or need AI to make sense of big documents. Pick what fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.